to see you again.
Oh, hi. You're here again. Yes. Wow,
I made, yeah, I made
yeah.
a reservation.
Oh, yeah. Thank you so much. Yes, I saw that. That's right. Do you usually have two classes every day?
Yeah,
Wow.
so far, so
That's
far.
nice. That's nice. Yeah, you will improve faster by doing that. That's great.
Yeah.
That's great. Okay, so are you ready for the lesson?
Okay.
All right, so I can see here once again you've chosen pronunciation beginner. This time it's 22. The circus is in town. Okay. Um, we just discussed this a while ago. Would you like to review the polar bears need help? Is it okay?
Yes.
All right,
Hmm?
so let's try to review the previous lesson. Please read the paragraph with emotions. Polar bears. Okay, please start.
Okay. Yeah. Polar bears need help.
Mhm.
She worries a lot. She worries about polar bears. They are big, white bears. They live in the north. They need snow. They need ice.
Mhm.
They need cold weather. There is too much pollution. Pollution heats up the earth. Heat melts the ice. The ice is the polar bear's home. No ice means no home.
Yes, very good. Okay, so now let's move to the main lesson. All right, so the first challenge is again to read the paragraph. So you're going to read The Circus is in Town. Are you ready?
Okay?
Okay, please start.
The circus is in town. She loves the circus. The circus has elephants. Elephants are so big. The circus has tigers. Tigers are so pretty. The circus has brown. Browns are funny. They drive funny cars. There are funny customers. They have funny faces. They make her laugh. The, the circus in town this week. She tells her dad and her mom.
Okay, so now let's try to practice pronunciation for the following words and expressions. Okay? All right,
Yeah,
so let's start with the first one, the word circus. Circus.
circus,
One more time, circus.
circus,
Okay, next is elephant.
elephant,
Elephant.
elephant,
Clowns.
lounge,
Clowns.
lounge,
Funny.
funny,
Funny.
funny,
All right. Next is we have costumes.
costumes. I made
Costumes.
costumes,
One more time. Costumes.
costumes,
Yes. And we have faces. Faces.
faces,
Laugh.
laugh,
Laugh.
laugh,
All right. This one is dad.
dad,
Dad.
dad.
All right. Do you have any questions with words and expressions? Everything clear with its pronunciation?
Yeah,
Oh.
so in the sentence, I
Mm-hmm.
made this.
Yeah.
The yeah, customs. I saw the
Yeah.
customers.
Yeah. I heard that. Yes. customers. Yes, so costumes. All right, next, we will move to the second challenge. Okay, so you're going to read each sentence twice. Okay, we will listen
Yes.
first an example audio and then practice them one by one. Practice twice. Okay, let's start with the first sentence. Please listen carefully. Here we go.
The circus is in town.
The circus is in town.
Yes, one more time.
The circus is in town.
Circus is in town.
Yes, very good. Let's move to the second sentence. Please listen. Here we go.
She loves the circus.
She loves the circus.
Very good. One more time.
She loves the circus.
The circus.
That's right. Let's move to the third sentence. Here we go.
The circus has elephants.
The circus has elephants.
One more time.
The circus has elephants.
Circus has elephants.
Very
Ah,
good.
the circus
Elephants.
has elephants.
Mm-hmm.
Elephants.
Elephants, yes. And let's have the fourth sentence. Please listen. Here we go.
Elephants are so big.
Mhm.
Elephants are so big.
That's right. One more time.
Elephants are so big.
Mhm.
Elephants are so big.
So big. Okay, let's have the fifth sentence.
The circus has tigers.
Mhm.
The circus has tigers.
That's right. One more time.
The circus has tigers.
The circus has tigers.
Yes, tigers. Sixth sentence.
Tigers are so pretty.
Tigers are so pretty.
Yes, one more time.
Tigers are so pretty.
Tigers are so pretty.
Pretty is the stress. Okay, let's have the seventh sentence.
The circus has clowns.
The circus has clowns.
Okay, very good. One more time.
The circus has clowns.
Mhm.
The circus has clowns.
Yes, that's circus. Let's have number 8. Please listen.
Clowns are funny.
Clowns are funny.
One more time.
Clowns are funny.
Clowns are funny.
Yes, funny. Okay, ninth sentence.
They drive funny cars.
Hmm?
They drive funny cars.
Okay, one more time.
They drive funny cars.
Funny cars.
Cars. Okay, let's have the 10th sentence.
They wear funny costumes.
Hmm?
They were funny costumes.
Yes, one more time.
They wear funny costumes.
Mhm.
They were funny costumes.
All right, so costumes. Okay, that's the stress. Costumes. Let's have the 11th sentence.
Costumes.
They have funny faces.
Mhm.
They have funny faces.
Okay, one more time.
They have funny faces.
Funny faces.
Yeah, so funny is the stress. Funny faces. That's the 12.
They make her laugh.
They make her laugh.
Okay, one more time.
They make her laugh.
Make her laugh.
Yes, laugh is the stress. Okay, let's have the 13th sentence.
The circus is in town this week.
The circus is in town this week.
Okay, town is the stress. Okay,
The circus is in town this week.
Circus is in town this
it's
week.
a town this week. Yeah, so that's the stress, the town. 14.
She tells her dad and her mom.
There's her dad and her mom.
Yes, dad. Okay, dad is the stress.
She tells her dad and her mom.
There's her dad and her mom.
Yes, very good. Okay. Yeah, so did you get the stress of all the sentences? Yeah, there are mostly one stress that you can, it will guide you on how to pronounce it, the whole sentence. All right, so now let's move to the whole paragraph. Okay, So this is the third challenge. We're going to listen to the whole paragraph and
Yes.
we're also going to read the whole paragraph and we'll study linking sounds as well. Okay, so let's start. Here we go.
The circus is in town. She loves the circus. The circus has elephants. Elephants are so big. The circus has tigers. Tigers are so pretty. The circus has clowns. Clowns are funny. They drive funny cars. They wear funny costumes. They have funny faces. They make her laugh. The circus is in town this week. She tells her dad and her mom.
All right, so are you ready to read the whole paragraph?
Yes.
Okay, so in 3, 2, 1, please start.
The circus is in town. She loves the circus. The circus has elephants. Elephants are so big. The circus has tigers. Tigers are so pretty. The circus has clowns. Clowns are fun. They drive funny cars. They wear funny costumes.
Costumes.
They have costumes. They have funny faces. They make her laugh. The circus is in town this week.
This week.
She tells her dad and her mom.
Yes, all right.